Are you fed up with prostate problems? Today I'm going to review Prostadine, which will support the health of your prostate and urinary system. So, if you are suffering from prostate health and not able to overcome this even after trying everything, then watch this video till the end. In this video I'm going to cover everything about Prostadine that will really works for you to support your prostate health. Friends, after watching this complete video, do also check out Prostadine official link from the description box of this video, where you can see more information about Prostadine like its ingredients lists, some of their real users' feedbacks and many more. So, friends, most of the peoples have these questions in mind. Does Prostadine really works for prostate health? So, I will try to solve your all queries in this video. First of all, I would like to explain what is exactly Prostadine. Prostadine is an all-natural dietary supplement designed to help men maintain a healthy prostate as they age. It is made of a blend of herbs and natural ingredients, such as saw palmetto berry extract and Pygeum africanum bark extract, which have been studied for their beneficial effects on prostate health. It is made of natural ingredients that are combined in liquid drops to make it easy for users to enjoy the benefits of Prostadine without taking tablets or capsules. Prostadine provides a comprehensive solution to prostate health, allowing users to benefit from the natural ingredients found in the formulation. These include herbs and vitamins, which help boost overall prostate health in both men and women. With regular use, Prostadine can help keep your prostate healthy as you age, allowing you to remain active and enjoy your life without worrying about future health problems. Now I will clear this thing to you: does Prostadine really work? The answer is yes, friends. Prostadine have been helping thousands of men to support their prostate health. Apart from helping in prostate function, Prostadine gives you many other health benefits if you take it daily, like it supports healthy libido levels, supports healthy kidney function, maintains healthy blood flow, supports testosterone levels, and many more benefits. So, that's why this is one of the most effective supplements you can put your hands on. Prostadine drops has helped a lot of people, supports prostate health and led healthier lives. You can also see the real customers' feedbacks from the official website so that you will be sure. You just need to take one full dropper of Prostadine every day in the morning. You can pour it directly into your mouth or put it into your tea, coffee, juice, or any other beverage you enjoy. Just make sure to shake the bottle well first, so the ingredients can combine into an extra potent mix. And one more thing, friends, take Prostadine for at least 3 to 6 months, which is more recommended by their manufacturer. As I said, it has made from only 100% natural ingredients, so it may take time to get its results. But you will surely get its results if you follow it daily, as I said. You will also get huge discounts, free bonuses from Prostadine manufacturer if you take it for 3 to 6 months. So, it will save you a lot. And friends, Prostadine also gives 60 days money back guarantee. So, anyone can easily test this drops for the first 60 days. In case if any reason you are not satisfied or don't want to use it, simply return all of your bottles and get your 100% money back. So, that's interesting thing, anyone can try this with no risk. So that's it for now, friends. I hope you will satisfy with my given information. If you really like the information given by me, then please like this video. Share with whoever looking for information about Prostadine. And if you used Prostadine, then don't forget to share your experience in the comments box. Do check out the official link in the description box to know more about it. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Have a great rest of the day, friends.